Here we are in Zion National Park, Utah, and we are looking at the Navajo Sandstone. The Navajo Sandstone was deposited in the Jurassic Period, so we're talking about rocks from the age of the dinosaurs. And the Navajo Sandstone was created, it was deposited in this giant erg, which is a big sand sea. So if you want to think about where one is today, think about parts of the Sahara that are covered with these giant sand dunes. Now, geologists know that these were sand dunes because if you look behind me, you're going to see big crossbeds. Crossbeds are where we have layers of rock, and then within those layers of rock, there are these smaller layers at an angle. And when you see big crossbeds like that, these are created when we have big sand dunes. Now, the Navajo Sandstone erg covered a really large area of the western United States. Huge areas of Utah, parts of Colorado, parts of Arizona, New Mexico, all the way into like Nevada and Wyoming. So this was a sand sea, an erg even bigger than what we have in the Sahara today. But it wasn't just one big pile of sand. Geologists have mapped out the Navajo Sandstone, and they found in many places there are what are called interdune deposits. Deposits between these big sand dunes that were once oases. And there have been things like freshwater limestones found, aquatic fauna, meaning animals that lived in those waters. There's dinosaur tracks along the edge of these interdune deposits, and there's even trees. And so these oases in the Navajo Sandstone lasted for quite some time and were very important ecosystems in that Jurassic desert from long ago. And so here we have this beautiful cross-bedded Navajo Sandstone, but remember there's a lot more than just those cross-beds. It's not just one big pile of sand, but it shows us the Jurassic ecosystems of this ancient desert.